What is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash is a digital currency that follows the original design of Bitcoin set out by the great Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. It is magic internet money. It is sent directly from person to person via the net, without the need for a bank. It can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime for less than a cent. And unlike those pesky banks, your account cannot be frozen. Bitcoin Cash is generated all over the world by anyone running a free application called a miner. Mining requires a certain amount of work to be performed before they're dutifully rewarded with some Bitcoin Cash. Thanks to the brilliant economic design by Satoshi, it is always created at a predictable and limited rate. The keys to your money are stored in your digital wallet. Click below to download one now. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy or sell your Bitcoin Cash for dollars, euros and more. When you make a Bitcoin Cash transaction, it is signed using some cryptographic magic and is then zapped instantly across the network. Once a miner locks your transaction in the blockchain, it is permanently stored in the network for all eternity. Bitcoin Cash is also great for small businesses and freelancers. It doesn't cost anything to accept, there are no chargebacks or fees, and you'll get additional business from the growing Bitcoin Cash economy. Bitcoin Cash is changing finance and is opening up the global economy to every person on the planet. For more information, visit bitcoincash.org.